Hi everyone! Welcome back sa aking channel. So, as you have seen or read sa title, gagawa tayo, i-achieve natin yung look ni Miss Bella Poarch. Tinry ko naman i-achieve yung buhok niya, guys, pero di ko sure kung tama ba itong pinagagawa ko sa life. So, I hope you're all doing fine, guys. So finally, sana na-receive na nung winner yung aking giveaway, yung Happy Pot, tsaka Vice Cosmetics na BT21. Ayun. Today's video will be using all local and affordable products. Wow. So, let's start. Actually, guys, so nakapag-moisturize na ako. So, unahin natin ay primer. And first time kong gagamitin itong EB Advance First Step Mattifying Primer. By the way, guys, lahat ng products na gagamitin ko, lalagay ko sa description box below para matry nyo din. So, clear siya, guys, oh. Ayan, yan siya. So, lalagay lang natin siya sa areas na nangangailangan ng primer. Tagal ko nang hindi nagpa-primer. Ang last primer na ginamit ko, Touch and Soul na primer, tas hindi yata ako nakabili. Naniniwala naman ako sa primer. To not to prime is a crime. Hindi ko sure kung na-justify ka. To not to prime is a crime. So, sino nga ba si Bella Poarch? Ni-research ko siya. Kasi recently, nag-viral siya due to dun sa tattoo niya. Parang sinasabi nga niya, I apologize to Koreans because 6 months ago, I got a tattoo of the red sun with 16 rays. At that time, I didn't know the history. But when I found out, I immediately had it covered and scheduled for removal. I'm ashamed of myself for not doing my research. I sincerely apologize. Pero, prior to that, she's famous for her TikTok. No, mahilig siya mag-dub. She's an anime fan. Or, anong tawag din ko? Cosplay yata. Parang nagko-cosplay siya eh. Siya ay isang US Navy veteran. Veteran yung tawag, no? She was enlisted in the US Navy in 2017 where she served for 3 years. Yun. So, although she has left, her Instagram bio declares she is a proud US Navy veteran. As we continue ang ating foundation, I'll be using the Squad Cosmetics foundation today. Ano ba? Parang may something wrong sa akin. Actually, parang earlier today, I really don't feel well. So, yung 2 shades, mix natin as usual. So, maglagay muna tayo ng foundation. Naisip ko na sa Squad Cosmetics, best siya i-apply with sponge. Kasi natutuyo ko siya. Hindi ko alam kung dry yung skin ko or madali lang matuyo yung foundation na to sa skin ko. Ayun. So, earlier today, I'm not feeling well. Pero, na-inspire akong gumawa ng makeup ni Bella Poarch. Kasi parang every night, halos silang dalawa ni Jan na, pangalan. May isa pa akong pinapanood na TikToker. Jarna Bagwani. Si Jarna Bagwani is more on makeup ang kanyang ginagawa. Ang galing niya mag-makeup transformation. Tapos she's only kaka 18 years old lang niya recently. Si Bella Poarch naman more on dubbing ang kanyang ginagawa. So, ito yung profile ni Bella Poarch. And ang trademark look niya kasi is yung Yung may blush siya dito. For concealer, we'll be using BLK Cosmetics in the shade Butterscotch. Buttermilk. And for contour, we'll be using BLK in the shade Amber. So, this is dalawa. So, si Bella Poarch, she was born here in the Philippines. As when she was 13, dun sila nag-move sa United States. Parang currently nasa Hawaii yata sila nakatira. With the same sponge, i-blend mo natin sila, guys. So to set everything, I'll be using yung BLK na translucent powder. Binaligtad lang siya, medyo messy. Ganyan siya. Yan ang itsura niya. Kasi kailangan mo siyang ibaliktad para magamitan mo siya ng brush or kahit sponge. For the brows, brush mo na. Ang brows niya straight lang. Tapos ang gagamitin ko is yung Easy & Co na pencil in the shade brown. Yan natin ang eyebrow gel na Easy & Co din in the shade Ash. Eyeshadow, ito yung sa Squad na Peach Palette. Tapos lagyan lang natin ito. Halos wala naman kasi siya talagang nakalagay sa eyes. I-wash off lang natin sa look niya kasi parang wala naman siyang eyeliner, pero definitely meron siyang mascara, blush, and highlighter. For mascara, gamitin natin yung Maybelline The Falsy Slash Lip. So, ang star ng ating video today is itong Cray Cosmetics. So, since ang trademark ni Bella Poarch is yung blush, hahanap tayo dito sa apat nito na similar na color. Sobrang ganda ng packaging, guys. Ito silang lahat. Ayan. Hot Mess, Low Key, A, and G Things. Low Key, A, G Things, and Hot Mess. Ito yung blush niya. Isang straight lang dito. Isang straight lang dito. At ang feeling kong pinakabagay na blush ay A. Napag-decidean ko na A ang ilalagay natin sa blush. So, hindi lahat ito gamitin ko, guys. So, nakakatunog ba kayo ng giveaway? Hyper Dot So, yung feeling mo nito is sobrang intense. It's a local product eh. Nakita ko lang siya. Na nagka-trending. Wait lang. Ang aking pilit mata. Okay, ang napili natin. At first time kong gagamitin ito. Sana. Ang intense. Grabe, isang dot lang sa buong mukha ko na. Pero parang tama yung shade na nakuha ko. Ito yung kanya. At ito yung akin. Bawas-bawas na. Pulbo. For highlighter, gamitin natin si Vice Aura Glow in the shade Splendid. So, for the lips, ang gamitin natin si G-Tinks. Lagyan natin ulit dito. Dito na lang kukuha. Para preserve natin yung gamitin natin ulit si A. Gawin natin gradient. So, nilagay ko ulit dito. Para ma-preserve lang yung, para hindi siya ma-contaminate ng area. Si Cray, ang claim si Cray Cosmetics, 1 dot is all it takes with this ultra pigmented formula. Hyperdot is a multitasking buildable tint you can trust to slay and stay on your lips, eyes, and cheeks for an effortless blush from AM to 2 PM. So, hindi ko na siya ma-wear test today, guys, kasi it's already 9:44 PM. Gabi na. Kasi kanina umaga medyo di ako okay. So, yun. Final touch. So, here's my final look, guys. Today's look, sa Cray Cosmetics, ang nagamit ko ay si G-Tinks and si A. Yan. So, yung dalawa, na-swatch ko lang sa arms. Pero hindi ko siya dinip anywhere else. With the pouch, I'll be giving away Low-Key and Hot Mess. So, for the mechanics, what's your crazy favorite color sa Cray Cosmetics? And then, ask your family and friends pa din to like your comment. So, yung pinaka-highest number of likes, as usual, will be the winner. The winner will receive the pouch at the same time 2 Cray Cosmetics na Hyperdot. So, here's my final look, guys. I hope you all like it. Sana na-achieve ko naman ang Bella Poarch look. So, guys, don't forget to join the giveaway. There will be one winner for this video, for this giveaway. The winner will receive 2 Hyperdot multi-use product from Cray Cosmetics with the pouch. Ayan. So, I'll be announcing the winner soon. So, thank you again for watching. I hope you all like this video, and please don't forget to click like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And please don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. And I hope you were able to like this look, guys. Try naman ako pati buhok. Okay. So, So, thank you again for watching and see you on my next. Bye! Mwah.